Dyson vacuum, and I have the DC65. And one of the first tips, always unplug it first. And then the canister, one tip is just always keep an eye on the max line, and you always want to clean this out before it reaches above this so you don't clog the main filter. And then inside, if you're not getting suction, there's a couple places you can check right underneath the canister. The first one is on the top of the ball to see if there's anything here. And then there's a little sight window that pulls up and it allows you to have access into this tube that goes to the bottom of the ball. And then also the top here you want to check. Now if you think there's something caught in the tube itself, you can lift this out, and then in front there's a small red tab that you just push your finger in here and you can lift out the whole hose so you can gain access to the hose itself if there's a blockage, and also where it snaps into the vacuum. And then if you had something caught down here in the back of the ball, you can just take a small Phillips screwdriver, and just by removing this set screw you can pull this tab and this opens up the back of that. So very easy to gain access. If you suck something up into this, that little tube just snaps right in, and then you'll put your set screw there. So you would check those first. If you have a blockage or if something got caught in the brush bar, then to remove this, you would just pull the vacuum down, lay it on its front, and there's a retaining clip that holds this bar in place. So you just grab the clip and pull it on both sides, and that allows this to pull free, and that gives you access to this. And then if there's something caught in this brush itself, what you can do is turn these two screws on the top, and you'll hear them click when it's open, and it allows you to move the plate off and gain access inside here. And then this also allows you to clean off any hair or buildup on the brush bar here. So very easy, great access, designed very well. And then to put it back together, all you have to do is lay it back down, turn the little knobs on top, and then you can either put this back into place and then put your retaining ring on, or it's easy just to put this on first. And you have a beveled edge and a flat edge. And you want the beveled edge facing out, and you just snap this retaining ring back in where you can see the beveled edge, and then you're just going to snap this straight down in place like that. So those are the tips. If you have a blockage in your Dyson vacuum, very easy to vacuum. And I have the DC65. And one of the first tips, always unplug it first. And then the canister, one tip is just always keep an eye on the max line, and you always want to clean this out before it reaches above this so you don't clog the main filter. And then inside, if you're not getting suction, there's a couple places you can check right